Alright guys, we're back on the creek again today. I'm gonna do a little bait run, but gonna change it up a little bit. I brought my wife and we're gonna have a little competition. I'm gonna see who can catch the most fish. She's volunteered to use live bait, so she's gonna be using some red worms, and I'm gonna use a little roostertail right here. So we'll see which one does the best. I did offer to take the fish off the hook and bait her hook for her, but I know she will do it, but she's got some stuff to do tonight, so I don't want her to get her hands dirty and smelly. So I'm gonna do that, and she's got a little bit of advantage, but that's my fault. So either way, we'll see who wins. We'll see who wins the competition. Peter is running ahead, trying to get down there to start fishing before I get down there. You see this? But I'm gonna win. She don't know where the fishing hole's at. Wrong way, Chris. Nah, we ain't fishing that hole. This hole. No, you don't. Come on. All right, so she's changed it up. She's gonna use a artificial bait, and I'm gonna be stuck with live bait. All right, I'm on the board. First fish. Just gotta find them. Good, good. Don't lose them. I see you got your first fish. It's 1-to-1 now. Okay, it's fine. Okay, there's another piece of bait. Man. No, it don't. If he ain't in the bucket, he don't count. Alrighty, get him up here. Shh, don't be scaring all my fish away. Alright, I just took the lead back over. Back in the lead, folks. I should have been deer hunting. Okay. There's number 3-to-1 now, folks. You're welcome. How's this? You're welcome. How am I doing? Either way, it ain't looking like I'm gonna have enough bait to make a fishing video. I mean, catfish video out of this trip. So I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna have to. Yeah, you're funny. I'm gonna have to be doing a shad run one night. It looks like. But who knows, the fish might just turn on here a little bit and just... I was kind of hoping you would win, or at least come close to winning. I'm serious. People like that. Yeah, I was. People like that.
You always say that, and you did.
No, I'm serious. Oh, look at there. There's number 4. Hey, beggars can't be choosers tonight.
Everybody knows our bait or they want our bait. We ain't gonna be hitting both.
They might. All right, keep them over there. I'll come get them for you. I'm coming. All right. Let's see. How well we at? 2 to 4. She's making a comeback, y'all.
I moved spots.
You hook my finger, you're gonna see another kind of comeback. That didn't make any sense, but yeah, it didn't make any sense. But anyhow, it sounded cool for a second. All right, there you go. All right, there's number 5. Yeah. It's not cheating. You can come over there if you want. Shh. Don't be yelling at me. But you're not going to be able to throw that back in there. I could barely throw this thing. Oh, there's your third fish. But we'll throw this one back. Won't keep him. All right, you can let him go now. Alrighty, number 6 for me, y'all. Oh, we got one, y'all. There's another one. There's another one. That was a sucker. All right, don't let them fall in the water. All right. Chris got number 4 for her. It's a nice one. There's another one. All right. It's a nice one right there. A couple good ones here towards the end. What's this? Number 8, I think, for me? Something like that. I think it's 4 to 8, ain't it? There's one. So there's a fish. I feel like I got a sucker though. Yeah, that's a little sucker, which is not really what I wanted, but desperate times, desperate measures.
Alright. Couple things. What was the final numbers?
I think it was 9-4. But
9 to
hang
4.
on, hold on. She gets a 2-to-1 advantage because she fished with artificial bait the whole time. Well, no, I fished with a little bit, didn't catch anything, but she caught all hers on artificial. So I was gonna be courteous and give her a 2-to-1 advantage just because that's the right thing to do. So
No, I don't need any, you know, give me. But I just have a couple points to make. Everyone knows the fish are gonna go after one thing more than the other,
that's not true.
for the most part,
Not necessarily.
when we're down there.
Not necessarily.
Second thing is, if anyone knows you personally, Austin's gonna put you in a hole and he's gonna say, this is my honey hole. And then he's gonna catch all the fish wherever he is. That's all I'm saying.
Anyhow, that's not true, but all right guys, that's going to conclude this trip. That was actually kind of tough. They did not want to bite tonight, but we caught a few fish, got a little bit of bait. Chris kind of, we'll call it a tie since she was using artificial, as you heard us discuss just a little bit ago, but either way, it was still a lot of fun. But gonna wrap it up now. I appreciate everybody watching. Make sure you hit the like button if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to hit subscribe. If you want to see more videos, usually posting catfish videos, and if you check out my channel, I've got a bunch already on there for you guys to watch, so make sure you check that out if you don't do so already. Also, check out my Instagram or Facebook page. Both of them are Rock Bottom Cats. Lots of good photos. I don't know if they're good or not, but lots of photos of my catfishing trips and everything on there. So check that out. Give me a follow if you aren't doing that already as well. And check out NC Catfishing on Facebook. It's a group page I created, I don't know, maybe a year, not quite a year ago, but we're at like 2.6, I think, thousand members now, somewhere in there. And it's steadily growing, so if you're not on there, check that out also. But either way, thanks again for everybody watching, and I'll see you guys next time.